Cloud Skills versus MCP. Which AI integration system wins? When we line up Cloud Skills and Model Context Protocol or MCP, what we're really comparing is two different approaches to making AI more useful. One focused on task specific expertise, the other focused on broad system connectivity. Cloud Skills is a tool that lets you build or install modules inside the Cloud AI platform. Think of them as pre-programmed sets of instructions, scripts, and resources that Claude can tap into automatically when faced with a relevant task. For example, a skill might know how to format Excel sheets, apply your company's brand guidelines in a report, or process customer feedback according to legal rules. Once you set it up, Claude doesn't need you to craft perfect prompts for every job. It already has domain knowledge built in. This makes it especially strong when you have recurring workflows, standardized tasks, or departmental needs. On the other side, MCP is an open standard designed to connect AI models, including Claude, with external tools, data sources, applications, and services in a uniform way. Instead of building a new integration for every AI tool combination, MCP provides a standard adapter so the model can access files, databases, APIs, and even trigger actions. The idea is broader. It doesn't just train the model to perform a task, it gives the model the ability to reach out beyond its internal knowledge and actually interact with the external world. So, how do they stack up? For workflows inside Claude, especially within one organization, skills win for speed and ease. If you have repetitive tasks like pull monthly metrics, build a branded presentation, send to stakeholders, a well built skill is going to outperform a generic workflow every time. The user doesn't need to think of the prompt and Claude stays consistent. Skills shine in that context. But if your need is connecting AI to many different systems, say CRM, databases, cloud drives, function calls, or custom apps, MCP is the more powerful approach. MCP allows for interoperability across platforms and tools, making it far more flexible and future proof. If a business has multiple data sources and wants their AI agent to do things, not just talk about things, MCP is the winner. Of course, there are trade offs. Skills require you to build or adapt specific modules, and if your workflows change drastically, the skill may need reworking. MCP, while extremely flexible, introduces complexity. You need the infrastructure of MCP servers, clients, permissions, and secure data flows. Skills give a smoother, more contained experience, while MCP gives you scale and reach, but with added overhead. Which one is better? It depends on your scenario. If you're working inside a defined enterprise with specific workflows and want minimal setup, go with Cloud Skills. They're fast to deploy and highly effective. If you need an AI system that spans multiple applications, custom tools, and live data integrations across your business, MCP is the architecture you need. In short, Cloud Skills wins for targeted workflow specific AI capability, while MCP wins for deep cross system integration and tool access. If I had to pick one, I'd say MCP offers stronger long term value in diverse enterprise environments, but skills will probably lead to faster wins in well scoped use cases.